This wig is from, damn. Hey Jewel babies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Julia and I'm trying to start YouTube again and be consistent, so welcome to my channel. So today we're installing a wig and I'm super duper excited because this wig is from WorldNewHair and I absolutely love their hair. Today, if you can tell from the title, is not a regular wig. We are going to be doing a ginger wig. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because this is it on the mannequin head. Yeah, this color is scaring me because I've never done a color this bright before and I've never done a color on my entire head. So we're about to see how this comes out. So I honestly don't want this video to be so much of a talking video, so I'm kind of just going to like record it and show you guys basically what I do to install my wigs. And I'm going to come, you know, back and forth just kind of explaining what I'm doing. And oh my god, and just basically how I install my wigs. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's just get right into it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Fueled by
because I know I look crazy right now. So basically what I am doing is applying the glue. If it looks crazy, just remember I cannot see. Like, I think people think I'm joking when I say like I'm blind, but I'm being for real. Like, it's hard for me to see sometimes. And I'm just gonna go in on my alcohol pad and just wipe off the glue that I don't want, because I can see that I kind of went berserk a little bit. And I'm actually gonna put the glue on the cap itself and then go down, because that just makes it a little bit easier to spread, especially when I don't have my glasses on. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and say that. And I'm gonna do about 3 layers of glue, because we want this stuck, baby. We want it stuck. I'm just gonna do each side at a time, just to make life a little bit easier, because I don't really like to use the blow dryer when doing this part anymore, because I feel like it dries it too fast, and that's just not it. And once it's cleared, then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lace. Okay, so I changed the baby hairs. I decided to go with something more like, you know, minimal, nothing crazy, because I just felt like the baby hairs I was going for would probably look better with a curly wig, rather than a straight wig. See, so now I can put it behind my ear, feel my cute. That's on period. Now let's try to take the last part of this TikTok, because ooh, your girl is struggling. Okay, so let's get into the hair, because y'all, I actually think I like it, and I really like the baby hairs that I did with it too, because the other ones I was trying to do was looking kind of crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But let's get into the hair details. So this hair is from, oh wow, it looks so sophisticated with it back. But this hair is from WorldNewHair to 1413x4 ginger bob wig. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit weighed down just because I had put oil in it, but that will go away as the days go by. The lace was soupy, like it was easy, like the lace was just super soft, and my only thing was the whole like getting it to fit my head, but maybe my head just got bigger and I don't know. Who's lying to me? Who's not telling me? Who's not telling me? And this hair is absolutely soft. It's amazing. I know y'all see the movement even with all the oil that I put in it, and I knew I shouldn't have, but you know, I don't listen to me. I really should start listening to myself though, because clearly I knew what I was talking about. But yeah, the lace melts in beautifully. Like, I like the color. I think it's just so cute. It's so nice. Like, and I love the length because it's not too long and it's not too short, and I just feel like it's like a perfect length. Like, I think I might start getting more 14 inches. Like, this is giving like I just bleached my hair and dyed it ginger vibes. Like, kidding me? Kidding me? What? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's not all over the place by the time I'm done editing it. But if you did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Comment any other videos that you guys want to see me do. As you can see, I'm being super consistent. I think this is the most consistent I've ever been on this channel, which is very sad, but we're gonna ignore that. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and hit that bell button so you get the notifications. I gotta memorize all that. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the video, and I'll see you next time, my jewel babies. Bye.